TotalAV has been a trusted antivirus solution for quite some time, but what truly sets it apart from the competition? To answer that, our team conducted extensive testing. So stick around, and by the end of this TotalAV review, you'll have all the information you need. Starting with ease of use, TotalAV is simple even for beginners. The user interface is neatly organized across different operating systems, making it an easy, approachable provider no matter which operating system you use. Let's take a Windows device as an example. As you can see, navigating through the app is simple. What I like the most is that all the features within the tabs open up in the same interface. There are no pop-ups. This makes using TotalAV antivirus seamless. Honestly, there's not much left to discuss here. The app itself is self-explanatory. It's no wonder people are drawn to it. Moving on to the security part of this honest TotalAV review. The basic idea behind using an antivirus is to keep your device safe from various cybersecurity threats. So how well does TotalAV do on this front? Can you trust TotalAV? Let's look at the independent testing first. In 2024, AV Test Institute tested TotalAV multiple times, and the provider scored near flawless results. There were occasional slip-ups for half a point, but this happens to almost every provider. And since the maximum score is 6, you can see it's not a significant dip. So the results of independent testing are clear, but we decided to run extensive tests on our own hardware to see just how well TotalAV performs. Quick explanation of how we determined the performance of TotalAV. Our team planted 150 malware files of varying severities on a testing device, and then put the antivirus to the test. During the scan, the device's CPU spiked as high as 97%, but averaged around 60%. The full scan only took about 14 minutes, and out of 150 planted threats, 120 were removed, which is a solid result. And mind you, this is with real-time protection disabled, which doesn't let any malware sneak onto your device in the first place. To start a scan, navigate to Antivirus Scan at the top of the left side menu, and click the Run Antivirus Scan button. If you'd like to choose a different scanning option, such as Quick Scan, click the down arrow and select the relevant option. That's it. I also have the best discount for TotalAV, so go get it and protect your device today. You can do this by scanning the QR code on screen or clicking on the link in the description below. Nowadays, strong real-time protection and multiple scans are the bare minimum requirements to even be in the discussion for best antivirus. In the current digital landscape, there are way more threats to be wary of than ever before. So top antiviruses have implemented additional features to help us combat these threats, and TotalAV is no exception. For example, its Web Shield browser extension automatically blocks potential threats like malicious sites, phishing attacks, and ransomware attempts. On top of this, the Web Shield browser extension can help identify which websites are safe or dangerous for me to visit. Furthermore, TotalAV offers an ad blocker, which makes your browsing experience safer and faster. It removes any screen clogging content that pops up too. And what's great is that this ad blocker is available not only on Mac or Windows, but on iOS and Android too. I like this feature a lot because on my phone, it blocks all the annoying pop-ups while I'm browsing. The next feature we need to discuss in this TotalAV review is the breach scanner. In short, it helps keep your personal information safe. TotalAV scans the dark web and notifies me if any of my email addresses were in a data leak. This way, if any of my email addresses are unfortunately breached, I'll know this immediately and can take action ASAP. But my personal favorite TotalAV feature is the cleaner. This one is especially handy for those who are rocking older generation hardware like an old laptop. Cleaner optimizes your device's performance by removing unnecessary bloat or old and broken files, boosting its responsiveness. And if all of those features aren't enough, TotalAV has a built-in password manager and VPN, which makes this provider not a simple antivirus, but a cybersecurity tool bundle. You can use the password manager to organize all of your essential credentials and keep them in one safe place, while the VPN enables you to surf the internet with even more privacy. Overall, in my opinion, TotalAV is great for anyone who's looking for one of the best antivirus 2025 options that's simple, but at the same time doesn't lack security features. So far in this TotalAV Review 2025 edition, we've established that TotalAV is a good cybersecurity tool, but this wouldn't really matter that much if its price was sky high, so how is the pricing? Fortunately, not only is TotalAV affordable, but it even has a free version. As you might have guessed, the free version is pretty limited, but it's still enough to test the waters and see if you dig this provider or not. To unlock the full potential of the service, though, you'll need a paid plan. the cheapest of which is Antivirus Pro. It protects multiple devices and offers all the basic features and then some, including a browser cleaner and manager, and the Web Shield extension. This plan serves as a good entry point if extra features aren't appealing to you. Another popular choice is Internet Security, which essentially combines all of the basic features with a VPN added on top. This subscription tier also increases the number of devices you can protect to 6. I'd recommend this plan for anyone who needs both an antivirus and a VPN at an affordable price. And lastly, my personal choice is the Total Security subscription. It includes everything the provider has. You'll have all the features and extras, including the VPN and password manager, if you choose this plan. I highly recommend doing so because it's still very affordable with my coupon code, so don't hesitate to try it out. And you can get a refund within 30 days if you decide the provider isn't right for you. All right, that's it for me in this TotalAV Review 2025 edition. I definitely suggest giving this provider a spin, as it's easy to use, offers strong security, and good extra features. And on top of all this, it's cheap too. I'll leave a discount for TotalAV on screen, and if you enjoyed this video, click to watch the next one. Thanks for watching, and have a good one.